What's up, world? Today we're making Korean fried chicken. What makes Korean fried chicken different is that it gets double fried to perfection. Go watch our UFC video if you haven't to see where we got our inspiration from. So first, we're going to prep our chicken wings. With these chicken wings, we're just going to cut them at the joints and discard the tips. Then in a large bowl, place your chicken wings, add a cup of buttermilk, a tablespoon of grated ginger, salt and pepper to taste, and marinate overnight. It's that simple. Now for our sauces. First, we're going to make the Korean chili sauce. So let's grab a bowl, get about 1/8 of a cup of gochujang chili paste, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, half a tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 2 cloves of garlic that has been minced finely, and lastly, 2 tablespoons of minced ginger. And that's our Korean chili sauce. This is my favorite flavor for wings. It has a smoky kick and a complex flavor that will leave you grabbing for more. Next, let's do the soy garlic sauce. Grab a bowl and add a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of mirin, black pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, and finally, 3 cloves of minced garlic. Mix thoroughly, and that's your soy garlic sauce. It's quick, simple, and a saucy favorite. Now it's time to cook our sauces. Bring it to a simmer while stirring often. Then we'll just add water and cornstarch to the pot. This will allow the sauce to thicken up. Remember to continue stirring. Once it starts to boil, bring the heat down to low and simmer until the sugar is fully incorporated. Ideally, we want this consistency. Then just pour the sauce into a bowl and leave it to the side for later use. Next is our Korean chili sauce. In a small pot, on low heat, we'll add our minced ginger. Let that sweat, and once it's aromatic, we're going to add the Korean chili sauce that we made. Raise the heat to medium-low. Bring it to a simmer and stir continuously. Again, we want this type of consistency. That means we are done. So, let's pour the sauce into a bowl and leave it on the counter for later use. Finally, it's time to fry our chicken wings. Remember, we're going for Korean fried chicken. We have to double fry the wings to really render the fat and make that skin extra crispy. So, let's add 75 ounces of a high temp cooking oil into a large pot and just wait for it to reach a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's going on, take out your potato starch and spread it out in a bowl. Also, take out your wings that have been marinating overnight and start coating them with the potato starch. Once your pot reaches the temperature, start placing them into the pot. Remember, do it in batches, there's no need to rush. You should fry them for about 5 minutes. Remember, this is only the first fry. Then just place them in a bowl that's been paper towel lined so it can absorb the excess oil from the first fry. Now let the chicken cool and set a timer for about 15 minutes. So, raise the temperature of the oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and once the oil is up to temperature, start placing them back in the pot. Let them cook for about 5 to 10 minutes or until they're golden brown. Then transfer the wings onto a wire rack. This will help them cool and take out any excess oil. Repeat this for all your wings. Now that you're done cooking, it's time to get saucy. In a bowl, we're going to take our chicken and slowly add our soy garlic sauce. Then, just toss. Just look at that color and shine. Double fried to perfection with different sauces. How can it get any better than this? Now, let's do the same for our Korean chili sauce. And then, all we gotta do is plate these bad boys. Yes, sir. Wow, look at that. We got our Korean chili sauce on one side and our soy garlic on the other. Now, let's go give it a bite. Oh yeah, these soy garlic wings are delicious and so savory. Guys, this is how you eat wings. The ingredients taste fresh. You can feel the garlic and the soy mixing together. It's amazing. There's no problem eating these wings down to the bone. Now, let's try the Korean chili. Whew, it's not that spicy at first, but after having a few, it might creep up. So, fair warning. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. The Saucy team and I had the most fun making these wings. I hope you give them a chance and try them at home too. Unfortunately, this is our last Saucy Kitchens episode. So stay tuned for a new channel coming up called Queen's Matic. So message us down below and tell us what you want to see. So if you like this video, remember to hit that like button, subscribe down below, and remember to stay saucy.